In this video, we're going to compare the Irish language with Polish. Now, of course, Irish and Polish are very different languages. They are from different branches of different families. So Irish is from the Celtic family, whereas Polish has Slavic roots. They have evolved differently over time, but having said that, I have discovered some really interesting parallels between the two languages, which I'm going to share with you in this video. If you like what I make here on YouTube and you enjoy my content, then why not become a Patreon supporter from as little as €3 per month? If that interests you, I will leave links in the description. And thank you very much to all my existing Patreon supporters. Gurv Mila Maglev. Okay, so let's get back to this video then, comparing Irish with Polish. Let's start off with some numbers. First of all, I will go through the Irish numbers and then the Polish ones. A hen, a doe, a tree, a car, a cuig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, a nine, a de. Now, let's look at the Polish numbers. Jeden, dwa, tre, cztery, pięć, sześć, siedem, osiem, dziewięć, dziesięć. So you can see there are certain similarities, but some are quite different. For example, 5 in Irish is a cuig, but it's pięć in Polish. Some similarities then, 2, a doe, and dwa, as well as osiem in Polish is 8, and a hocht in Irish. There is a certain parallel there between those two numbers. And a de in Irish is 10, and dziesięć in Polish. You can kind of hear that de, dziesięć kind of similarity there. Let's compare them then one by one. A hen, jeden. A doe, dwa. A tree, trzy. A car, cztery. A cuig, pięć. A sé, sześć. A seacht, siedem. A hocht, osiem. A nine, dziewięć. A de, dziesięć. Some Polish and Irish words kind of look more similar than they sound, as you're about to see here. So the Irish for dead is marv. Marv. And in Polish, martywa. Martywa. The Irish for voice is glor, or you could also say go. And in Polish, głos. Głos. So they kind of look more similar than they sound. The Irish for a donkey is ossel. Ossel. And in Polish, osioł. Osioł. In Irish, shan is old. Shan. And in Polish, stara. Stara. But what I found interesting is the Irish word for history is star. Star, which is very, very similar to the Polish word for old, which is stara. In Irish, isk is fish. Isk. And in Polish, it's ryba. Ryba. And what I found fascinating was that the Irish for shrimp is ryba robeish. Ryba robeish, which ties in directly with the Polish word for fish, ryba. And the Polish word for shrimp is krewetka. Krewetka. As regular viewers will know, one of my favourite words in Irish is Boin Day. Boin Day. And that is ladybird. And it's a very poetic description. It means God's little calf. So boin is calf. So bo is cow, and then whenever you put an een after it, it becomes little or small or young. And then day refers to God. So boin day is God's little calf. It's a word to describe a ladybird. In Polish, it's Boża krówka. Boża krówka. So that also means God's little calf. It's one of the ways to describe a ladybird in the Polish language. Boża meaning God, and krówka meaning a calf. Boża Krofka, God's little calf. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And don't forget to make sure you're subscribed for more great videos just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Slán go fóill.